fantastic.
You look like a new girlfriend.
You look like
Cause
that girl. You go everywhere with the glasses. You know.
I look so hot. Thanks to the wig layer. You know. Although I'll sadly more YouTube, but it's fine.
Yeah. No, I'll come back.
You'll come back. But I'm so late. I have a shoot to do. There's a lot going on. My emotions are very high. Just want to get there and hope for the best. I see. No. It's gonna be like Uber Black. Flex on us. What?
Expired.
She is, honestly, she's got soda down.
It's dark.
Oh, are you bloody?
Yeah.
I want to see what's going on because I think they're in the room.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
She's actually done with breakup. She's done with breakup.
Isn't it crazy that we have to meet in these circumstances? Thank you.
I love the hair.
Can I put this? Actually, this on the floor. And
Okay, yeah, it's hydro.
Yeah. Thank you. Yo, that's what took long. What's wrong? Welcome to my channel. Like, yo, today is just a lot. I didn't even do like an intro or anything, but we're at the venue trying to just get set up and ready. Everyone is here. Shoots are a bit like a lot sometimes, so just trying to sort out a few things. We need to go change like pants for me, but otherwise so far so good. The place is nice and quiet. I got my lashes on. It's very different. The lighting here is so pretty. But yeah, this is the view. There's Calvin setting up over there, the photographer, and this is where we're at. Let's go check on Calvin. With Calvin, you know.
Kelly.
You know. Say hi to my vlog.
What's up going on?
Insta Calvin.
Have family.
You know.
Support.
Yeah. Look at it. Look at the drip. The red. We got the roses. He's in the trees, you know. How's it going?
So far so good.
Yeah.
I really like how the outcomes are.
I actually have this bag in green.
Really?
Yeah, they gave it to me the other time. Okay, we're gonna change jeans, cause yeah, but we'll be back. I think Dumi might be done. If she's done, you can start with her. Perfect. Sharp. Yeah, we can go. Yeah, we can go. Are you okay?
Oh, there's a lot going on here.
Oh, you didn't see? Look at it.
Look nice. I love it. Just blink into.
We're at Market trying to get jeans because they don't fit me.
So what's happening?
She's up on Keisha to the front. She's on Keisha.
Jeans. I'm trying to find jeans. I don't even know what the style jeans are. They supposed to be skinny or they're supposed to be what? But yeah, this shoot there's a lot going on. I'll catch up with you guys later. It's very difficult for me to vlog when I'm in the hustle and bustle, but yeah, I'll catch you later. We're gonna do this again.
Morning. Why shoot? Why shoot? I will download the app. Download the app. No, shoot. I
don't post. Today, don't post.
It's serious.
Today, post. Salon post. Salon post at 2021.
Man. It was 2022. Yeah. That eyelash wants to fall.
Which one? It's.
Yeah, that one.
Which one?
That one.
It's been through the most.
I give enough. You sure?
Hi guys, we're back. It's been a long day. The shoot was hectic. I left my camera, if you heard, in his car. Like, there's so much content that you guys missed out on. Ish, yeah. But I don't know what but our sponsor. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Well, the last outfit that I wore, but also because it's my outfit that they gave me a while ago. My wig has gone through it all, but shout out to Prince. Hey, Prince did the things. I tried to keep it, but I'm not a wig girl. This life is a lot of things for me, innit? And it's already messed up now. So I'm gonna take everything off. Like, I need to rip out my eyelashes. Baby, apparently you ripped these out. Look, come see. Come see. Come see. It's not a horror movie. There. Took out my lashes. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. I need more of them. And I forgot to ask Kolo to give me. Okay. But these are nice lashes. Anyway, I think you answered the question, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Do I keep? Do I leave? I guess we'll find out. But yeah, guys, I'm tired. This vlog is the shortest vlog in the world, probably, but I'm tired. Yeah, it's been a lot. I did 9 outfits. That's a lot of outfits. My wig is still in place. But yeah, that's it for me today, folks. I'll catch you next time. Bye.
My little love, I see your eyes wide like an ocean. When you look at me, so full of my emotions, I'm finding it hard to be here since city. I know you feel lost, it's my fault completely. I don't recognize myself in the cold.
But I thought, what can I add to it so that it becomes a bit of more of a conversation? And I wanted to add my body to it, but I didn't know how. And so I thought I can use my breath through glass blowing. And so that my breath is part of the body that connects to the work. But glass is, of course, also sand that's gone through a traumatic process to become that. So it's the heat that's involved in the glass. And essentially, the rock and the glass is the same material in different forms. At one point, I was like, okay, I'll blow on it, I'll blow it, and then I felt like the shape wasn't right. And so I asked, can you blow it to me so I can look here and tell you, okay, lower, lower. And then someone has to cut it and someone has to.
This is the first edition. Each one is hand-bound, almost individually made at this stage, with little inserts and in the pockets there's like, some of the pages are to color in, others are to challenge yourself to do self-portraits, or so there's like this one, I ask people to continue the story but also color it in. And the coloring also was a response to people always telling me, why don't you use color in your work? And me saying, well, now you can do it yourself. I don't want to.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? But I'm
fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know it's true. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it. But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just keep adding fun. We was living fast as fuck. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero.
Yeah, but can you tell what is the material and what do you do with it?
So, very different to Crystal and Toadette, where and this is when you guys are talking, I was actually picking up on this, you have a very natural, organic process with the clay and the glass and the handmade paper, and masking tape is the most artificial, plastic, most...
We represented her in 154 Contemporary Art Fair in New York, in Chelsea, and which was very successful. And but all her other work will be shown in September in the solo exhibition, and then there will be a full exhibition with all your other works. Okay.
Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Or am I the sound is how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
Going through. So I draw a lot from where I grew up in the Babylon Skruif in a mud house. So I look for textures within the home environment where I'm from, and within different conversations that will lead to this discomfort skin that I want the audience to see. I use a lot of oxides. I am fascinated with how the cracks and the imperfection can also improve the concept of transformation and misrepresented within your identity.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. Who said it's gonna even last?
I don't know what, but today is Thursday, it's the 13th of June, and it's International Albinism Awareness Day. Shout out to the gang, shout out to me, shout out to everyone living with albinism. So yeah, today actually I'm going to the studio and we are preparing for the show on the 16th of June. I am going to help out. I don't know what the state looks like. We're gonna have to see what happens. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So yeah, I just wanted to introduce the vlog on the new day. This is a couple of days later. I think the last time I vlogged was Monday, but Tuesday. It was Tuesday when I went to sign my work. But yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me and hope you enjoy the vlog. I'll see you in the streets of this vlog. But yeah, so outfit for today, this is a hat. It says In My Feels. I love this hat. It's from Mr. Price. It's my boyfriend's hat. I love it. Anyway, the jacket is from Zara originally, but I bought it secondhand from Black Merch. And then the top is from Pick a Bit Clothing, sweatpants from Pick a Bit Clothing, and my regular sneakers. As you guys know, I'm always wearing these. They are the best. And yeah, this is drip check. This is the full outfit, and then accessories. These are all from Lovisa. This I thrifted, and this was given to me. I don't know. This was also given to me by my mom. So yeah, these are also from Lovisa. So that's my outfit for today. Nothing if I don't.
Those innocent eyes. That smile on your face makes it easy to trust you. If they only knew. Girl with the tattoo, like I do. Just to get you where I'm going, yeah, I see. Just don't lose yourself.
I have to sign up for this. This is hard labor.
How do you feel, Robert?
Yo, I'm doing alright actually. I came late, so I started.
Shout out.
Because if we have the domestos and stuff.
How are we doing?
Bianca, we know you come on.
This is hard labor, by the way.
Guys, this is not cute. Like, I wasn't this covered scrubbing also. Like, a mess. A lot. The studio is. I heard they all say that we wanted to be artists.
Okay, hi guys, I'm still an artist. My name is still Basilit.
And Farida's still plugged.
Falida. Okay, fine.
She's the plug. She's the
here
plug.
at
Look at that.
Tax
She's the
Woman.
plug. No, they.
She's the plug.
She's actually the plier.
Yeah, she's
actually the plier.
She's the plier. She applies herself.
And she got screw. Here's a screw.
Guys, I'm trying to do my intro.
Oh, where's the screw, bro? Yo. Workshop. Guys, I swear this is not typical. This is not a typical day. Okay, this is not what happens. Don't come for us.
That looks like a Voops, guys.
You literally.
Like a what?
Stop, a Voops.
What's a Voops? What's a Voops?
They'll know.
Which one? This one?
That's a Voops. It's a Voops.
If you've come to this point of the video, I really hope you enjoyed it. I've been a little bit inconsistent because it's been quite busy, but I am going to be a lot more consistent now. And yeah, I just want to say thank you for tuning in, and I miss you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.
'Cause your time is money and I'm wasted.